Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. This video is part of React tutorials, and in this video we are dealing about how to deploy a React application into Firebase. So if you see here, this is the Firebase, and we are going to deploy our application into this Firebase, and this is the demo for that. You can see the deployed application, and there are multiple other things as well. You can play with this Firebase. And next one is you can change the demo as well if you want. And let us see how to do that practically. So for this I have created a project called as a React project. You can see here, and in this project we have source folder and app.js. In this app.js I am going to write something, and I am going to write hosted React application in Firebase, and let's deploy this application into Firebase. For this, first we have to execute this command npm run build. So it will take certain time to build our application. What it will do is it will create a build of this entire application, and it will create some build folder. So until it gets built, we will go to this Firebase, and you have to go to Firebase console, and if you have already created some project, you can click on that project, and I am going to create a new project here. And you have to click on continue. You can enable or disable this. Now I will click on continue. So you can click on your default account, or you can create a new account, create project. So it will take some time. So your project is successfully created, and it will be navigated to particular project what you have created. Now we don't need all this, and we have to click on hosting. You can see here you have to click on get started here. Once you click on get started, you will be navigated to this page, and you have to install this command to install Firebase tools globally in our project. If you see here, the build got created successfully, and once you open the build, you can see the static folder, and which will consist of CSS and all these things, CSS, JS, and media files. And you can have favicon and index.html. This is the main thing here, and you can have all the images, logos, etc. Now we will execute this command. So until then, you can go back to your browser, and you can click on next. After this, you have to execute this Firebase login. So basically it will authenticate your Firebase account for your application. So I have already done that, and next we have to install Firebase init. So our command got successfully installed here. Now we will execute Firebase init. Now you have to click on yes. You can select different options here, and for our application we are going to host, so that is the reason I am selecting hosting by clicking on spacebar, enter. Now it will ask whether you want to use existing project or you want to create a new project in the Firebase. So I have existing project, that is the reason I am selecting use existing project here. It will show different projects what we have created in the Firebase. I am using this tech ADA project. So it is asking what do you want to use as your public directory. So we want to use this build folder as our public directory. I am writing build here, and once you click on enter, it will ask whether configure as a single page application. Yes. Set automatic builds and deploys with GitHub. If you want this, you can click on yes. It will ask for the GitHub authentication. I don't need this, so I'm clicking on no. It is also no. If you want to override, then you can click on yes. So our initialization got completed successfully. So once this is done, you have to click on next here, and you will have another command, Firebase deploy. I am executing this command. So once this command is executed successfully, then you are good to go. Our application got successfully deployed. You can see here there are other files created, Firebase src and firebase.json, firebase.debug.log, like this. Yeah, our project got successfully deployed. You can see the URL here. So until then we'll see what is the project file got created, firebase.json. So it will have what are the files you should ignore when you are hosting your application, and this is the destination, and this is the source. It will rewrite these all, and let's verify whether it's got deployed successfully or not. So once you open this in your browser, you can see hosted React application in Firebase. So in this way you can host your application in Firebase. Once you click on continue to console, you will be navigated to this, which consists of all the applications what you have deployed in the Firebase. So you can click based on your requirement, and you can change the domain as well, and there are many payment options as well. You can play with this Firebase, and this is the end of this tutorial, and thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.